Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make website on Bluehost only way. Start by choosing a domain and hosting plan, then install WordPress from your Bluehost control panel. Next, pick a responsive theme, set up permalinks and basic settings, and install essential plugins for SEO and security. Finally, add homepage content, create core pages, and preview across devices before publishing to ensure a smooth visitor experience. Choosing the right domain and hosting makes everything easier later. Start by searching for a memorable domain and register it through Bluehost during the sign-up flow. Choose a hosting plan based on expected traffic, storage needs, and budget, and enable domain privacy to protect your contact details. Complete the checkout, then use the Bluehost dashboard to confirm the domain points to your hosting so WordPress installation will proceed without delays. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for easy voice control, background music, and a little home automation fun while you work on your site. It's a handy companion that keeps you focused and entertained. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Design and content shape how visitors perceive your site, so prioritize clarity and speed. Install a mobile-friendly theme that supports customization and fast loading, then create key pages such as Home, About, Contact, and Privacy. Add optimized images, clear headings, and concise copy to guide visitors and help SEO. Customize menus, widgets, and site identity, and preview your site on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks polished before you launch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.